In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a view in browser link in Mailchimp, a quick and effective way to enhance your email campaigns. Let's jump right in. First, you'll want to log into your Mailchimp account. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. From here, navigate to the campaign section and then click on all campaigns. This is your starting point where all your existing campaigns are housed. It's like the hub of all your email activities, so becoming familiar with this area will be really beneficial as you develop more email campaigns. Next, you'll need to open the email template or design that you're currently working on. This is where you'll embed the view in browser link, so select the campaign that needs this feature. If you're using a template you've built before, it's a good idea to refresh your memory on its layout so you know exactly where to place your link. After selecting your template, identify the specific section in the email where you wish to add the view in browser link. Typically, this link is placed at the top of the email, making sure it's the first thing subscribers can see, which allows them easy access to view your message in their browsers, should they have any trouble viewing it in the email itself. Now that you've chosen the right spot, you'll need to add a new text block or edit an existing one where you intend to place this link. The text block will function as the anchor for your link. If you've already got text blocks with content, simply click to edit and make room for this new link in a way that appears natural and seamless within your email's design. Here's where the magic happens. You'll use the Mailchimp merge tag specifically designed for this purpose, which is archive. This tag is what transforms into the actual view in browser link when your email is sent. It's efficient and does all the heavy lifting for you. Remember, it's important to customize the link text itself for clarity. Rather than displaying the merge tag plainly, you might want to have it say something like, view this email in your browser, so it's clear what the link does. Lastly, once you're happy with your adjustments, save your changes. After saving, I recommend previewing your email to ensure everything looks great and that the link works perfectly. Previewing helps you catch any errors you might have missed while editing. And there you have it, you've successfully added a view in browser link to your Mailchimp email campaign. Adding this feature not only improves the user experience for your subscribers, but also showcases your commitment to functional and accessible design. Thanks for watching, and if this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips.